Morning, everyone. Do you remember back when the CRA was having their definition problem with what the word income meant when qualifying for the Canada Emergency Response Benefit or CERB? There were 30,000 people, approximately is what the CRA estimates, that took CERB that would not qualify under the net income definition, but would qualify under the gross income definition. Now, personally for me, when they say you need to have X amount of dollars in income, that means net income. And one of the articles I read this morning said that, they defined it as net income for self-employed people, but gross income for employed people. And the truth is that employed people don't have such a thing as gross and net income. They just have income, and that is their net income. Net income is after expenses, and if you're an employee, you don't have expenses, so there's no such thing of that for you. So anyways, there's about 30,000 people that are going to get to keep their money, and there is 6,500 people that have repaid their CERB payments that can now apply. The application process is open for them to actually get a refund of their repayments. Personal opinions aside, I hope they need the money because they applied for it. Likely in 2019, if they only had $5,000 in sales, and that's how they qualified for a CERB, likely they could have gotten up to $14,000 and been actually better off. Their family would have been better off than they would if COVID wasn't a thing. And that wasn't the intention of the program. The intention of the program was to ensure people can keep putting food on their tables and that their lives weren't any worse than they were the prior year. But if your life got better because of it, then good for you. You fell within the rules. Everybody has different opinions on that. We've had some people even ask us to go back and redo their 2019 tax return, and told us that there was income that they forgot to tell us about. So we take that case by case basis, whether or not we actually go back and adjust those tax returns, because sometimes it makes sense, and sometimes we say no, because that's not what it's about. People that got the money, hopefully they needed the money, and that's the whole purpose of having that program in place. I hope that this video helped you. If it did, share it with your friends. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and take care of your friends, and be well.